Most of us believe that having more money and building more wealth will automatically solve our financial problems. However, it's important to understand that this is not necessarily the case. True financial well-being is not solely dependent on earning a higher income. It is how you effectively manage the money you already have and use it to achieve your future goals. This is where the concept of financial literacy comes into play in managing your finances, and financially literate people are those who are deemed successful in today's time. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. You set specific, attainable financial goals. Achieving financial security requires setting specific and attainable financial goals. Without clear goals in mind, it can be challenging to make progress. These goals encompass short-term objectives such as establishing an emergency fund, mid-term goals like saving for a down payment on a house or car, and long-term goals such as retirement and education planning. Having a financial plan is next to having a roadmap that will guide you toward your goals. It helps you stay on track and committed to turning your aspirations into reality. Moreover, they don't simply set their goals and forget about them. They write them down along with the necessary steps to accomplish each one. However, they don't stop there. They regularly review, revise, and reassess their progress. Here's the key: while you may not have complete control over every aspect of your financial situation, there are many actions you can take to improve it. By taking a moment once or twice a year to evaluate your progress and refocus on what you can control, you will find yourself making a move toward your goals in no time. It's important to periodically check your progress, make adjustments as needed, and stay proactive in managing your finances. This approach empowers you to continuously improve your financial situation and make steady progress toward your desired outcomes. You always work with a budget. Determining what's essential versus your want can be challenging for someone who does not know how to control their expenditures. Being financially literate means distinguishing between your needs and wants. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial for smarter spending to avoid unnecessary money loss. Monthly budgeting is important as it ensures clear priorities and control over finances, preventing future financial troubles. Without a budget, it's easy to spend impulsively, resulting in insufficient funds for financial goals. Overspending may even lead to credit card debt and high interest rates. So you better start practicing budgeting now to avoid such situations and take control of your financial well-being. You regularly set aside part of your income for savings. Financially literate individuals recognize the importance of saving for various purposes like retirement, emergencies, education, investments, or personal expenses. Saving plays a critical role in financial literacy as it provides you with freedom and security. It acts as a safety net, offering protection during unforeseen financial challenges such as job loss, unexpected expenses, or family obligations. With well-planned savings, one can handle these situations without resorting to borrowing or accumulating high-interest debt. This approach helps avoid debt, accelerates loan repayment, and enables individuals to live their desired lifestyle. Financially literate individuals also understand the importance of maintaining separate accounts for different savings goals. This segregation ensures that funds allocated for specific purposes are not unintentionally used elsewhere. Working with a budget to determine the amount to allocate to each savings account is essential. Lastly, successful saving requires discipline and a willingness to make sacrifices. Developing these traits is crucial for effective money management. You stay up to date with finance news. Did you know that part of being financially responsible involves staying informed about the latest financial news? This is particularly crucial if you have an investment portfolio, as having up-to-date information can help you make informed decisions. For instance, if you're considering purchasing more stocks, being aware of the current state of the stock market can guide your investment choices. Thankfully, accessing financial information has become effortless. Numerous websites, journals, magazines, and newspapers cover the financial world. However, it's important to avoid information overload by selectively consuming relevant content. To assist you, here are some recommended resources. The Wall Street Journal and Investors Business Daily provide comprehensive analyses, while MarketWatch and Bloomberg offer real-time news and stock data. Also, don't forget to visit exchange websites such as the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. You handle your debts responsibly. Debt from high-interest credit cards and payday loans can have a great impact on one's finances, and even student loans with reasonable interest rates can become burdensome. However, not all debts are necessarily negative. There are instances where loans are necessary for significant purchases like a car or a house. The key lies in effectively managing those debts. Financially stable individuals understand how to handle loans responsibly. They prioritize making timely payments, which can save them a substantial amount of money in interest. Also, because they maintain a budget, they can allocate a portion of their income toward debt repayment. If you feel uncertain about managing your debt, it's important to educate yourself on this matter. Determine the best approach to address your debt, such as prioritizing which bills to tackle first and strategizing how to achieve your goals. It's natural to feel disheartened during the debt repayment process, as it can take months or even years. However, by mastering the fundamentals of debt management and developing a strategy, you can positively influence your perspective on debt and make progress toward becoming debt-free. You know and understand your taxes. Navigating taxes can be a tiring task, but given that they represent a significant expense for most households, it is essential to dedicate a good amount of time to understanding them. Taxes are an unavoidable aspect of financial management, and gaining knowledge about their workings can enable you to make informed decisions and optimize your net income. Financially literate individuals grasp the intricacies of tax planning, allowing them to assess their financial situation and devise effective strategies that leverage tax breaks and credits to minimize their tax burden. Failing to handle taxes properly can have real consequences. Underpayment may result in unexpected financial strain when you need to cover the additional tax amount, while overpayment can disrupt your cash flow. Hence, you need to familiarize yourself with the basics of taxation. If you find taxes too complex, you have the option to enlist the assistance of a tax professional or accountant. However, by investing time in learning how to manage your taxes independently, you can avoid the need to incur extra expenses for outsourcing this task. You have multiple streams of income. Financially literate individuals understand the importance of diversifying their income sources. They recognize that relying solely on one source of income is risky and insufficient for building wealth and ensuring long-term financial stability. Nowadays, depending on a single job can be uncertain, as job security is not guaranteed, and technological advancements can lead to job displacement. However, when you have multiple income streams, you create a safety net for yourself. In other words, you have a backup plan in case one source of income diminishes, providing you with greater financial security and the ability to continue investing. Having additional sources of income not only boosts your savings but also aids in paying off any debts you may have, lightening your financial burden. Therefore, it is advisable to explore alternative avenues for generating income alongside your primary job. This proactive approach will prove beneficial in the long run and contribute to your financial well-being. You know your credit score. Understanding your credit score is of utmost importance as it serves as a strong indicator of your financial well-being. A favorable credit score is vital for your financial health and success since it facilitates easier access to loans and favorable terms such as lower interest rates and reduced fees. Financially literate individuals consistently monitor and are aware of their credit scores, making it effortless for them to improve or maintain them. Being knowledgeable about their credit score also provides them with insights into the factors that impact it and identifies areas that require attention and enhancement. Armed with this knowledge, they can formulate a plan to enhance their credit score. You, too, can adopt these practices. To establish or preserve a good credit history, ensure timely payment of bills, maintain low credit card balances, and exercise caution when considering new credit unless necessary. Regularly monitoring your credit score enables you to gauge the impact of your financial actions, while reviewing your credit reports helps identify any irregularities that may negatively affect your score. You take steps against identity theft. In today's digital landscape, the threat of identity theft is a genuine concern that can wreak havoc on both your personal life and financial well-being. While certain types of identity theft can be resolved easily, others can have long-lasting consequences. For example, unauthorized use of your credit card can be resolved by promptly reporting it to your credit card company, receiving a new card, and removing the unauthorized charges. However, if someone steals your personal information to open fraudulent accounts or engages in activities like filing fake tax returns or health insurance claims, it can take months or even years to recover and restore your life. That's why financially literate individuals take essential precautions to safeguard their personal information. They adopt practices such as keeping their credit and debit cards secure, protecting personal information, utilizing virtual private networks (VPNs) when accessing public Wi-Fi networks, being vigilant against phishing scams, securing their mobile devices with locks, using unique passwords for online accounts, and regularly monitoring credit reports to detect fraudulent activity at an early stage. You invest wisely. Research indicates that people with strong money management skills tend to make more informed investment decisions compared to those lacking such skills. When you have a solid understanding of personal finance, you are better equipped to comprehend the various investment options available. This enables you to allocate your hard-earned money wisely while being mindful of associated risks, such as market fluctuations and potential losses. You have the necessary tools to effectively manage and mitigate these risks, devising a concrete plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Financial literacy empowers you to diversify your investment portfolio by selecting assets that suit your needs and interests. By comprehending the intricacies of each investment type, you can optimize your financial resources and enhance your prospects for long-term success. In conclusion, financially literate individuals not only approach monetary matters with confidence but also possess the readiness to navigate through the financial challenges that arise in life. They possess a firm grasp of fundamental principles and can proactively address issues as they emerge. By keeping an eye out for these signs, you can assess your level of financial literacy and gain insights into your financial knowledge and skills. So a smart move would be to keep an eye on your current financial situation and assess how you can handle it responsibly, one step at a time. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.